Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Update your iPhone 13 to the latest iOS so system NFC drivers are current. Once done, add the NFC tag reader to Control Center so you can test quickly. This lets you trigger reads without third-party apps. Make sure to restart the phone and temporarily remove cases or magnetic mounts because interference often causes failures. These first steps clear common software and physical blockers, making the next actions actually effective. You now test NFC by pulling Control Center and using the tag reader on a known working tag. This confirms hardware response. If it fails, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to reset cellular and NFC radios, then test again. Next, force close background apps that use Bluetooth or wallet because resource conflicts can block NFC. If problems persist, reset network settings as a contained step. This resets radios without erasing personal data and often fixes stubborn NFC stack issues. You finish by trying a full restore only after a complete backup. Restoring iOS can resolve corrupted system components affecting NFC. Once restored, test again. If NFC still doesn't work, run Apple Diagnostics via Settings or book an Apple support appointment to check the NFC module. If the issue is intermittent, make sure to inspect for drop damage or liquid exposure since physical faults are common. One key troubleshooting tip. If problems recur, note when and how.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.